Hey guys, okay, we're gonna do a lilac makeup tutorial. And I heard that TikTok is experimenting with allowing more than 10-minute videos, so I can't wait till that happens so that I don't have to cut out major parts of my video. So far, I have done Vitamasque Coconut Lip Mask, Hard Candy Girl Scouts Milk and Cookies Primer, Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation in 115, Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer in 1C, Essence Flawless Skin Trio Loose Setting Powder, and e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. And on my lips, I have NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Violet Smoke. And I have NYX Butter Gloss in Marshmallow. Does anybody still use these? This is like the best gloss formula ever. I hope they never stop making these. It smells so nice. But yeah, Marshmallow. Okay, so I forgot to do my brows, so I'm gonna do my brows and come right back. Okay, NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Ash Brown. I've tried so many brow products, always come back to that. All right, now the blush that I'm going to use isn't going to be so easy for you guys to get unless you go to the Profusion website, because I'm going to use something from my Frosted Snow Sparkle palette, and this is like from 2 Christmases ago. I'm going to pick up another purple powder blush that I can use in the future instead. So something that will be easier for you guys to get. I'm going to go try to get that today. I need a blush brush. Okay, so I'm going to use the purple blush in this palette. Oh boy. Usually if I put too much on my brush like that, what I do is I dot it on my face on both sides before I start blending. Okay, see, once it's blended in, I was going to layer my blush, but I can't do that now because this was so pigmented that I can't put another blush on top of this. So we'll have to just leave it at that. But that's pretty, huh? Yeah, you might be able to still get this palette on the Profusion website. And I don't know if you saw when I just showed it, there's tons of eyeshadows in there. There's highlighters, bronzers, everything. Okay, so next we are going to use my Beauty Creations Pastel Please Color Base Primer in I Lilac U. Oh, I forgot the highlighter. You know what? I'll do that when I get to that part of the eye makeup. We'll do it all at once. Large fluffy brush, little bit goes a long way with this. That's probably too much. Why don't I go back and forth then to disperse that amount of product across the whole thing. If I have to, I can just add a little bit more. Yeah, this is wicked concentrated, so you only need a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to use Beauty Creations Riding Solo Pressed Single Eyeshadow in Legend Babe. That's what it looks like. Oh, I almost dropped it. Oh, that would have been bad. Okay, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are only $5 a piece on the Beauty Creations website. Wow. Of it. Okay, now I'm going to use the Beauty Creations Pastel Please Gel Pencil in the shade Iris. This is the only one of these eyeliners that I bought. And I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to my NYX Buttermelt highlighter in the shade number 1 Butta. And I'm just gonna take a small brush and I'm gonna do the brow bone highlight, inner corner highlight, and face highlight. This is such a pretty color, and why not also use it as an eyeshadow? It's perfect for that. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and come right back. Oh, but wait, we are not done. If you are an extra, extra kind of person, I'm now going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick in Icy Amethyst. Wait until you see this. Okay, you ready for this? Okay, I gotta swatch this so you can see. Now, I did layer it over 2 other products, but I think that just makes it come to life even more because these are like glittery uh, tinted lip balms. But yeah, it's not like if you touch it, you don't feel the glitter or anything like that. Okay, now since I stayed within my time constraints, I want to ask you guys, do you get celebrity crushes? I am madly in love with a Chinese actor named Xu Ke. Okay, his name is spelled Xuke. It started with me watching Ice Fantasy and then Ice Fantasy Destiny, which is like a sequel show to that. Now I'm watching the Plow Department of Song Dynasty on the Roku app, Vicky Rakuten, which is VIKIRAKUTEN, and it's free. But yeah, I'm so into these Chinese drama shows now. I don't mind watching the subtitles at all. You get used to it. But I have such a crush on this Chinese actor. Hold on. Yeah, I could just stare at that picture all day. He is so gorgeous. Okay, anyway, this is the finished look and very easy, right? Very easy to do. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.